Good afternoon. So, if we want to convert our energy sources from fossil-based to renewable, we also have to think where these materials are coming from. The materials for wind energy, for solar energy. A big problem in solar panels is that silicon requires a lot of energy to be produced. Scientists looked for alternatives and proposed this cell, a dye-sensitized solar cell, where the titanium dioxide is a semiconductor, and together with the dye, it replaces the silicon. In my bachelor thesis, I looked at organic dyes, which can be used to attach it to the titanium dioxide and form a dye-sensitized solar cell. I looked at indigo, which is this compound down here, and but this is also used for dyeing jeans, and it's very sustainable. And then I saw actually that there's a big problem with the molecule, that it's symmetric, which means that there's not a charge separation within the molecule. This charge separation is needed to convert the electrons from the light towards the titanium dioxide. Another restriction we had was that there has to be an anchoring group to attach it to the titanium dioxide. So we looked on literature and found a molecule which already was synthesized, which is up here. And we then did simulations, so my study was only computational, theoretical, and these optimizations are iterative, so with every step we get closer and closer to the most stable structure. And we looked if this molecule can actually bind to this titanium dioxide. And it did. And not only did it bidentally, but it also bound with a, okay, it doesn't come up, with a hydrogen bond, which makes this complex very stable. And therefore, this compound could be used and could be synthesized in the lab and used for dye-sensitized solar cell. Thank you very much.
What efficiency increase do you expect from this, or do you calculate?
The problem, of course, with organic dyes is that the efficiency are very low. So, yeah.
The question was the increase. How much does the efficiency gets better? It is known that organic solar cells are weak, but
yes,
you make them better, don't you?
This was actually more to look if it's possible, this compound itself. Yeah.
Any more questions or remarks? Yes, over there.
Normally a hydrogen bond is a weak bond. Through the hydrogen bond.
So it's bidentally bound, but not only that, there's next to it also a hydrogen bond through a migration of the hydrogen from the dye. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.